Hi besties, welcome to Wig Hair Bundles. My name is Ify. Allow me to give you a tour of this beautiful wig. Wig fine, thin hair. See how bouncy it is. Wig without closures are affordable. This wig is very, very beautiful. And it is made with machine made. So this wig, as you're looking at this beautiful wig in different colors, there is no closure. A mossy wig now. So we have them in various colors. And any wig that has no closure is more affordable. Because you know how closure is expensive now. You start worrying about 5x5, 4x4, 2x6 and all. But this one, no closure, and the colors are beautiful. So please, let me know in the comment section which of these colors is your favorite. So these wigs are machine made, so they no closure wigs. And the hairs are so bouncy. A bob wig. No, don't tell me no. So don't tell me that this wig is not what you want. It's everyone's dreams. The colors are wow. Yeah, it is beautiful. The thin hair is classic. Bouncy, natural shine, beautiful colors, 100% human hair. What more can you ask for? And this burgundy color is wow. The colors that we have this braid is beautiful, classic. Texture of hair is on point. As you can see the hairline, you will see that the quality of the hair is top notch. The quality of the hair. I've shown you how to identify quality bone straight. So by seeing my previous videos and seeing this video now, you'll be able to identify quality hair when you see one. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always supporting, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.